What up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. Look, it's New Money Maker Mondays. I want to bring you this new app that I've been using the past few days, and I'm really liking it. So I had to bring it to your attention. It's called Get Upside, all right? So I'm going to click on it and show you basically what this app is all about and how you can make money with it easily. Okay, now it's a cashback app for things like gas, groceries, and food, okay? Now, basically how this works is it shows you the gas stations that are in your area, the ones that are close to you at that particular time or particular place that you're at. So it's important that you have your location turned on. That way they can update you on the gas stations or places that are close to you that are offering cash back. Okay, so right now I'm at the gas stations showing me the ones that are closest to me and showing me how much cash back I'm going to get for each particular one. Okay, so this gas station right here, the gas at that gas station is really $2.60, but if I use this app, it'll be $2.57 because I'm going to get 3 cents off a gallon, and they're going to send that to me within 24 hours. Okay, they have other ones here. If I go to this one, it's actually 4 cents. If I go to this Exxon, it's actually 1 cent. Okay, so the way it works is you click on claim. Like, say I want to get gas, I'm gonna click on claim, and I have 4 hours basically until I have to get it done. Now, if you don't get it done within the 4 hours, you can just, claim it again, but it just take the picture within this time span, within the 4 hours. Right now it's 10 o'clock in the morning, so it's going to start from whatever time it is right now. So you have to use your debit card when paying for it. Pay for it at the pump, and make sure you get a receipt at the pump. Because I know a lot of people, when they get gas at the pump, they forget their receipt. Make sure you get your receipt. Take a picture of it, and when you take a picture of it, make sure everything is visible as far as the address, the date and the time, and the amount of gallons that you purchased. That way they can get you your money back. And it's important to never throw away your receipt. Well, I won't say never, but don't throw away your receipt until you see that the money has been credited into your account. And the reason I say that is because a couple of days ago, I took a picture of a receipt and I forgot to actually put the address in the picture. Like, I took a picture of it, but the address wasn't visible. And so they didn't credit me. They said issues found, and they said you need to take a picture of the address. So I had to retake the picture. I kept the receipt because I felt like, it's a lot of cash back in there, so I want to make sure I get it. So I kept the receipt, and I'm glad I did. I took another picture, had everything visible, and I got credited for it. Okay, so like I said, just don't throw away the receipt until you see the money into your account, and just make sure you have the address, the date and the time, and the amounts of gallons that you purchase all visible in the picture. Okay, so like I said, you have 4 hours to do it, but for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to go get gas right now because I just got gas 2 days ago. I just filled my tank up using this app. You see here, I have $4.36 in my account. You can actually cash out with this site at $1. I'm going to show you that, but I'm going to show you some more things you can do with this site. Right now, groceries, they don't have any grocery stores right now, but that is something that they're working because, they're working on getting, because this is a fairly new app, and so they're kind of just tweaking with things. But I know when they get grocery stores in there, it's really going to take off because, everybody goes grocery shopping and everybody spends, big money at the grocery store from time to time. So you're going to get a lot of cash back when that happens. So I'll keep you updated on that when that happens. Food place that you can go to. I click on food. Here's how this works. If I go to Wendy's, now it'll show you the address. So you have to go to the one that is closest to you, the address that it has. Don't go to a one that's not on here because you won't get your cash back. All right. So if I go to the one that's actually in West Belford, I use that, I'll get 15% cash back. If I go to Popeyes, 15% cash back. If I go to this Wendy's, look, 25% cash back. All I have to do is take a picture of the receipt, like the same way you do with the gas. Just take a picture of the receipt, make sure the address is visible, and make sure you have the amount of money that you spent visible. That way you can get credited on time and there won't be any issues. All right, so I think that's all they have in the particular areas, the ones that are closest to me, because it'll show you things that are like, I think within like 2 miles of you. So it doesn't go too far, but like if you go somewhere else, it'll show you the ones that are closest in that area. That's how it works. A very simple app to use. Basically, all you're doing is getting gas or getting food, taking a picture of your receipt, and make sure everything is visible in order to get credited for it. All right. Now, like I said, I have $4.36. I'm gonna show you the cash out things you can get. Cash out $4.36. I can cash out right now if I wanted to. They have gift cards you can use. Let me see if I can view all digital gift cards. Yeah, all of these things that you can buy or that you can use as far as your cashing out with. They don't have a lot right now, but like I said, it's a new app. but it does pay because I've seen proof on it. I've done my research on it. Let me go back. You can also get paid with PayPal, because I know PayPal is probably the biggest thing everybody wants. But let me show you something with PayPal. There's a fee involved with it. Look, if you want that fee avoided, you have to get basically $15 or more. So that's what I'm going to try to do. Get $15 because like it doesn't really take that long. You see, I got $4.36, and I just basically all I did with this app is got gas one time, but when it got food one time, and I already got that money. So you can cash out as soon as you want to. You have to at least have $1, I guess. That way they can actually they're still gonna take the fee out, but like I said, if you want that fee, if you want to not pay the fee, just get $15. And you know that's basically what it is. A very simple app. You can also get a check. Let me see. I don't want to cash out right now. You can also get a check. Look, mail a check. Click on that to avoid the $1 fee. Get $50 or more for the check. So the same thing. Just cash out whenever you have at least $1, but just remember the fee. If you want the fee avoided, get $50 or more. And you know you'll just go basically put in your name and all that kind of good stuff. Then they'll show you how much you'll get if they mail me a check right now. I'll get $3.36 because of the fee. Okay. Now the thing is, I want you to sign up under my link. I want you to download the app, and this is why I want you to sign up with my link, because if I go to invite friends, you see here you're going to get 15%, 15 cents cashback extra on whatever you get your first purchase on. All right, so use my code right there, Chris 372732, and you'll get that bonus. If you don't use a code, you won't get a bonus. So that's why it's important for you to use my code on that when you download the app. So 15 cents extra, whatever you're going to get. So let's say if you go to a gas station and it's at 3 cents, just add 15 cents to that. You're going to get 18 cents off. And that is really, really good. I suggest you do that when you want to fill up your tank. That way you're going to purchase a lot of gallons filling up your tank, and you can get a lot of money a lot of that money back. Okay, so that's basically what this app is. You know, getting paid to get gas, getting paid to get food. Very, very simple. You can cash out very quickly. It doesn't have a high cash out, which is really, really good. This is what the app looks like again. Get Upside. Remember to use my code. That way you can get the 15 cent extra, and also you can continue to get those food purchases. You know, those 15 cents, 15% off, 25% off, things of that nature. So download the app, Get Upside, use my code. So you can get all of that. If you're new to my channel, I want you to subscribe if you're interested in making money online the free way, because that's what I'm doing. Dropping videos every single day showing you guys how to make money online, taking no money out of your pocket. Basically, all you're doing is using free websites, free apps. I'm giving you tutorials on what to do on each site and app so you can make money with it just like I am, and you can cash out and put money into your bank account every single day. I'll show you all the steps. So definitely subscribe, click the bell button, because I upload videos regularly and I want you to be updated and really know what's going on with my channel. Like, share, comment, all that good stuff. If you have any questions on any of my videos, don't hesitate to ask me. Just leave it in the comments. I'm very interactive with everybody. I try to answer all the questions. If anybody has anything they want to ask me, definitely feel free. And that's what it's all about. You know, every penny counts. My whole channel is dedicated to showing you guys that you can make money online, and you can make a lot of it if you just do what I'm telling you to do. I'm bringing you so many different money making opportunities that it's going to be crazy by the time I'm, have all these videos uploaded that I can possibly think of. I mean, you guys are going to be bringing in thousands a month. I mean, that's what it's all about. Trying to make a full-time income from home. If you have a job, making a good part-time income, a good secondary income, bringing in thousands a month isn't bad for making money online. All right, so download the app, Get Upside, use my code. That way you can get those benefits and bonuses that I was talking about. And remember, every penny counts.